Let's prepare to enter a time of meditation together, to enter the silence. And as we think about life's simple pleasures, I think about the sunrise and the sunset. One of the most peaceful times of the day is that sunrise. Step out with a cup of coffee or a cup of green tea. Breathe it in. The light changes. The energy changes. The energy shifts. You can breathe that in. It's such a time of joy, a time of peace. Also, the sunset. The sun also sets. The sunset is also a time of joy, a time of peace, because we get to put our burdens down and rest. Every morning when you open your eyes, it is your sunrise. Every night when you close your eyes, it is your sunset. From sunrise to sunset, joy is a part of who you are. It's a simple pleasure. It's a simple bit of goodness. That idea of sunrise and sunset is so powerful in all aspects of our life, not just the turning of the earth, not just the opening of our eyes and the closing, but in little moments. The sunrise and sunset. It's a simple pleasure. And as we sit together and enter the silence inside, reflect on life's simple pleasures, the thankfulness that today we opened our eyes and that we are full of joy. And as we breathe in deeply, and as we breathe out, know that part of life's simple joys is the pleasure of knowing you, the pleasure of the person beside you. That is a joy that we can all share. We rejoice in life's simple pleasures today, and so it is.